Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FORD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice price movement today, and then along with that, you look down here, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. First level of support that stands out to me, as soon as I pulled up the chart, and I'm not sure how close it matched, but we'll see. Almost, pretty close, right there at 205. Why did 205 stand out to me? Well, at one point, this was a level of resistance right there, and there's a rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken, you want to see them act as support, and that's exactly what happened right there during the final 30 minutes of the day. Price got down there, and like I said, it wasn't exact, but I think we all agree, close enough. So right around that general vicinity at 205 was indeed confirmed as a level of support. So preferably speaking, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the best going forward? Definitely if 205 can hold. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 205, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but yeah, that would certainly make the chart look the strongest. Taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, so this definitely assumes you have more of a broader time horizon, but that's where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, so as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet extremely efficient way to judge the overall health of the price movement is just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 205 would be great, but from the grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? As things stand right now, it's looking like the majority of the sellers are hanging right up here around $2.65. So $2.65 will be public enemy number one going forward into tomorrow and the remainder of the week. All in all, though, very nice move today. So now things definitely transition over to the question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.